guys, what's up? I hope you're doing well. For this video today, it is a makeup tutorial. A reason why I'm planning to make this video because a lot of people ask me how I did my makeup as a blind person. So I just thought that I could make a makeup tutorial of how the blind can do their makeup. So I don't really use too much makeup, but just a little bit. So I'm gonna see an eyeshadow person. So I'm gonna do some eyeshadow and a little bit of mascara and lipstick and lip gloss. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to this channel and share with your friends and family. Thank you. So first of all, I'm going to do my eyeshadow. So I'm going to do pink. So all I did is just rub my finger on the palette and then rub on my eyelids. And then do one more time on that side. There. Now do the same thing for the right eye. There. And I'm going to add a little glitter on the corner of my eyes. So I'm going to do glitter this time. There. Alright, mostly that's done. And the thing I forgot to tell you, and I'm sorry, it's really important to wipe your face first before putting makeup on, because when you wake up, you find out how like some dry things on your eyes and some dirty stuff on your face. So it's important to wipe your face first and then do your makeup. So next I'm going to do lipstick. Or I meant mascara or whatever. Sorry. I'm kind of tired, so just been a busy day for me. And I'm sorry if I make a little mess. I'm not really good with mascara. I'm just wiping a little bit of mascara off. So if you're blind or sighted, I mostly recommend you guys to do just the regular mascara, not the waterproof, because the waterproof mascara, if you're not really good with mascara, the waterproof can be pretty messy and it's really hard to get it off. So I don't really recommend you guys to do the waterproof mascara. So now I'm going to do the lips. So I'm going to do the lipstick. Now I'm going to do the lip gloss, just a little bit of it. And another thing too that you could do, or if you want to, that does make it more prettier or shinier. If you have a palette of glitter eyeshadow, you can use that on your lips, but not too much. So I'm going to do that with mine. Alright, and that's mostly it. So now I'm ready for an outing or something like that. So yeah, I recommend you guys to check out some other blind makeup tutorials, and if you're excited, I kind of recommend you try to do it with your eyes closed. So now, if you wonder how we can take our makeup off, just do it kind of slowly, especially with our eyes, because of course with eyeshadow can get in your eyes to whether you might have to go to the hospital to get it out because they're really hard to get off your eyes. So first I'm just going to do my lips. And now it's the eyes, so you have to kind of do it kind of slowly. So just got a little piece of a wipe and just like that. But make sure you have it doing your with your eyes closed though, so it won't get in your eyes. And the same thing with your other side. There. Alright, so again, I recommend you guys to wipe your face first before you put your makeup on, because of course your face can get pretty dirty when you're sleeping. So it's important to kind of wash your face first so your face can feel fresh, and then put your makeup on. And then at the end of the day, kind of same thing as beginning. So just wipe your face, especially your eyes, kind of slowly, so that mascara or eyeshadow won't get in your eyes. So again, if you'd like to learn more about makeup as a blind person, I recommend you to check out Molly Burke, Lucie Edwards, and Joy Ross. So I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. So please hit like, subscribe, share my YouTube channel with your friends, family, and everyone else who are blind or sighted, and smash your notification bell. Thank you. Bye.